Ram has long stood as a hallmark of American ingenuity, recognized for its robust trucks and pioneering features. However, its closure provokes critical questions regarding the future trajectory of the American automotive industry. Stellantis is grappling with significant financial adversities, including escalating debt and dwindling sales. Moreover, its sluggish transition to electric vehicles has intensified these challenges. The restructuring of management post-merger between Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group has resulted in profound internal conflicts. Cultural differences and operational inefficiencies have diminished Stellantis' competitiveness in the marketplace. Ram has been integral to Stellantis' strategy, serving as a leading revenue source in North America. Its closure signifies a considerable setback for the company's financial viability. In the truck market, global competition is escalating, with emerging players challenging established brands. Consequently, Stellantis has had to considerably invest in technology to retain its competitive edge. Post-merger, Stellantis is confronted with profound financial difficulties due to a substantial debt burden. The anticipated financial stability from the merger has not yet materialized, influencing crucial operational decisions. The transition to electric vehicles presents a formidable challenge for Stellantis, as it trails behind competitors like Ford and Tesla in the EV sector. This delay threatens Ram's standing in a rapidly evolving industry. The merger of Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group has led to strategic miscalculations, cultural discord, and an absence of clear direction for the Ram brand. These factors have directly contributed to the brand's decline. Unsuccessful partnerships have depleted Stellantis resources without producing beneficial outcomes. This leaves the company financially constrained and unable to adequately support key brands like Ram, underscoring the repercussions of misguided strategies. The truck market witnesses a notable shift, with competitors such as Ford and GM ready to capture Ram's previous customer base. This shift underscores a pivotal opportunity for brand loyalty. The closure of Ram significantly impacts workers and communities, creating economic challenges for those dependent on its production. Local enterprises now grapple with hardship in the absence of the revenue Ram once generated. Consumer trust in Stellantis is diminishing as a result of Ram's abrupt closure, compelling many former customers to reconsider their loyalty. The brand's long-standing reputation for reliability has suffered amid these changes. The ramifications of Ram's closure extend beyond Stellantis, affecting suppliers and the larger automotive market, thereby raising pertinent questions about overall financial health. Suppliers reliant on Ram face the threat of significant losses and uncertain futures. Stellantis stands at a critical juncture, contemplating a restructuring of its portfolio to emphasize brands that showcase potential in the electric vehicle arena. Strategic investments in Jeep and Dodge may be vital for the company's recovery and future prosperity. Investors and consumers are attentively observing Stellantis' subsequent moves following Ram's closure, as trust is already tenuous. The company's capacity to adapt and effectively communicate its strategic vision will dictate the fate of its remaining brands and overall market standing. Chrysler's challenges in maintaining relevance reflect a broader industry shift towards SUVs and electric vehicles, necessitating substantial investment in new models and strategic approaches. Failing to adapt could lead Chrysler towards obsolescence. Ram's closure could inspire other automakers to critically evaluate their portfolios, potentially phasing out underperforming brands or models in favor of electric and technology-integrated vehicles. This indicates a fundamental transformation within the automotive industry. In these transformative times, the demand for transparency and clear communication from automakers is paramount for preserving consumer trust. As demonstrated by Ram's loyal customer base, trust can be easily eroded during periods of significant change.